Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, and today I'm making slime. I've only made slime like twice before, so let's get this done. So, what we're first gonna do is I hope that you have to do this very precise. So we got this borax. Let's put the borax 1, 2. Whatever. Just dump it all in. Get 1 cup of hot water. And dump this in. Boing. Of course. Get a spoon. We're gonna mix it all up. Like this. Just go. And so we'll leave this over here for the borax to disintegrate while we make our slime. We got this. Got a whole bucket of glue. Whoa. Clearly, the glue is gluey. So let's just take all this out. For some reason it's green. Not sure if that's good. So just open this, get our green, and dump it in. That's kind of a lot. But there you go. It's nice, right? Totally know what I'm doing. There you go. And do we just add the borax now? I think we do. But I'm gonna add something. And what I'm gonna add is this. No, never mind. I'm gonna add this. Now I hate to be wasting it because it's very yummy. Chocolate syrup in my slime. Just to give it some color. So there you go. Just dump some in. Now, I'm gonna take this spoon. Not that spoon. It's very dirty. And take this spoon. Just go. Oh. It smells so good. We're mixing it.
Parker, we got some grossness going on.
What? What happened?
Tell us something, Tiz. You should see how much dirt is under our carpet.
Ew. Dirt is underneath our carpet. That's not good. This is the slime with the chocolate in it. Oh, food coloring. Not sure that's going to turn out good. Now, let's just move this along. I'm talking about this if you don't know. So just boing. Is it supposed to disintegrate or is it supposed to stay in clumps? Well, since it's not disintegrating, we have to take matters into our own hands and use this thing called the microwave. I'm just going to open it, put this in, and heat it for like 5 seconds. I hope that's not plastic. But I'm a scientist, so... Are you ready? Yes, it is enough. That's all that matters. So let's go on over and get this. Just, I heard you add a little at a time. So, that's going to be it for now. And then, there. Yes, it's working, I think. Ish, not really. I hope that chocolate didn't mess it up. But here we go. Whoa! It's actually working. I mean, like, of course it's working. Let's keep on going, starring. I think I might have to add more glue because it was that chocolate syrup, but none of that. Did I say none of that? Yeah, sure. Oh, I think there was some green in there, but not to worry. We just add a little more borax, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, it's working. I think it's supposed to clump. Look. No, it's not supposed to happen. Okay, let's just keep on stirring, keep on adding some borax, activator, whatever it's called, until it's nice enough to put our hands in. Now, no offense, I don't want to put my hands in here because, for one, it looks like poop. Like someone had a bad day on the toilet. For a second, it's super goopy, and I bet it feels weird. And the chocolate and the glue, not a great smell. If you guys talking in the background, I guess my house is falling apart. Yep. Oh, just flushed an activator out. Oh, this is actually activator and not just like hot water. But look, I guess it's working, right? There's bubbles in it. Oh, don't tell me that's not supposed to be bubbles. Oh, I actually got some borax in that. There we go. Yep, come on. Mad starring because I'm a mad scientist. No. Okay. It's just going. Not sure if I was supposed to add that much, but I have a friend who'd say too much activator is bad. Now, what I would say is too much activator can be good, but bad, but also good. See? Too much activator is the window to the slime. Now, it's kind of getting along, a very long video. But, so, scoop it up. Ew. Yeah. I was right. It feels like someone had a bad day on the toilet. Let's just put a little tad. Yeah, I totally did. Water spilling out of it. But hey, look, it's working. I think too much activator was the window to this slime.
Parker, are you making a YouTube video right now?
Yes! That's my mouth.
That is awesome.
I know. Eh. Oh. Well, this is gooey and not. Ew. It's gross. No. It's okay. I call this chocolate slime because chocolate was the ingredient. So we're just gonna my slime. It's way better than I thought it would be. But I do want to say something. I have a slime shop coming up. Don't worry. My friend who says too much activator is like the manager. So the slime won't be like this. Unless you want it chocolate slime. No, my friend would probably make it better. I'd probably make it worse. So the slime shop, it's good slime actually. We have sunset slime that's super pretty. It's like super duper pretty. I might show it right now. Let's see. This mad scientist is showing you this slime. Yeah, we're almost finished. We're just, making the final details of, what we're gonna do. So actually, this is sunset slime. Now, it's 3 different colors, but I had to mix it all in for some photos of it. So, this is a sunset slime. It's very nice indeed. So let me just grab a bit. It's not sticky, it's very stretchy, and the color's nice. So when we ship it to you, since the shipment, well, I think we ship it, yeah. It might be a little bit sticky, so we'll send some activator along too, because it might melt when it's in the box. It's 3 different colors before you mix it. It's red, orange, and yellow. And it turns out like this. So that's going to be it for today's video. So, bye! No? Okay.